if you have given option for the income like this, right? Below 20,000 box, 20,000 to 40,000, 40,000 to 50,000, like this. Then you will assign some values. What values you will do? 1 to 20,000, 2 to 20,000 to 40,000, 3 to 40,000 to 50,000, 50,000 to 75,000, 4, above 75,000, 5. So when you are entering the data, your data will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. So then that case, it is a ordinal data. Suppose if you have given income with dash, then they will give income, the actual income. You will enter the actual income like this, then it is a ratio scale. See, for example, the amount I have, no, amount spending, right, like this. It is a ratio scale. Suppose if it is, this is also amount spent only. Okay, let me see amount spent only. Okay, so but here I have put 1, 2, 3, 4. Same 1, 2, 3, 4. Same amount. So, but it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a ratio scale, right? Ratio scale, right? Very good. So, with this understanding, again, if you have any doubt after the presentation is over, I will come back again because now we have to go further, right? Very good. So now, okay, now the types of data is over. Okay, now let me go to the analysis. Okay, now this data set, if you see this data set, whatever I have taught, that is ended. Okay, this data set is given to you. So in this data set, we have some 51 data. 51 data. Okay. Now let me put a analysis. Okay. Now first one, gender, which is a nominal data. 1, 2, just like that we have given. Okay. So what is one entered here? One is male, right? Okay, like that. Okay. 2 is female, like that we have entered. Now, I want to know what analysis we can do. Now, what analysis we can do? We can find out how many male we have and how many female we have. Okay, now we have 200 odd participants. From this, we can say how many male, how many female, how many. Whenever we say how many, this we call it as frequency analysis. How many times I met male? How many times I met female? Frequency analysis. How many numbers? How many people? So now I know for a nominal data, I have to use frequency analysis. Now let me use the frequency analysis. Now, for all the analysis, I have to go here, analyze. Okay. So if you go to this analyze, you can see in a drop-down box, you have many lists. What is the meaning? These are all the different analysis available in the SPSS software. If you know all these things, which means you know everything. Okay. Normally in a 8 days workshop, I will teach one by one slowly. But here we are going to teach only limited because 2 hours only every day. So now for a frequency, now I know that I have to do frequency analysis. Now let me see these reports. The reports are not required for this analysis purpose. That is for a report preparation purpose. So next analysis is descriptive. Now everybody, you can tell your mind, descriptive, which means describe. I am going to describe how many male are there, how many female are there. Describe. Okay. So now in the descriptive statistics, I have a frequency. Now, okay, now I have a pop-up window. In this window, I have two boxes. One box, it contains all the variables in the data set. Gender, education, liking, income, all. Now, next box presently empty. Now, this box, now I have to use analysis for only the gender, which means select the gender, use this arrow. Okay, so this arrow will help you to go from one place to another place. For example, we are traveling. Then what will you? We want to go to Trichy. We will look at the arrow. Arrow will tell you, oh, go this way. So like that, arrow will help us to move from one place to another place, right? So now I have put gender here in this box, which means I have informing the SPSS do analysis only for gender. Okay. So now let me say I am not touching anything. I am just telling okay. Now I will get this window. Okay, I am getting this output. Yeah, this output. Okay, so this output is, yeah, I have different one. Okay, so that output. Okay, so little different. Okay, so now, okay, here I have entered 52 case one data. They have deleted, that is why. So now you can see this output. Okay, you can see this output. Valid male 32, female 20, 52. Right. So now, okay, so 61%. So this is the output you will get. This is the output you will get. So which means 32 people are male, 20 people are female. So out of these 52 people, 32 frequency. Okay, now how many numbers? Okay, so that is the frequency analysis. You will get some more columns like percent and the valid percent and cumulative valid percent. Okay, that I will come little later. Now, so now we know how to do the frequency analysis. Now, for a nominal data, we have to use frequency analysis. Frequency analysis, we have to go to analyze, and then we have to go to descriptive, where we have to attach this frequency, and we have to select that variable, and we have to put it in this box. We have to say okay, then we will get the output. Then if we go to this output, you will get how many people are there. Here it is a little different. Okay, because 51 people are there in this one. Okay, fine. Now we know this one. Now let me go to the next data, which is a ordinal data. Now I know that education is my ordinal data. Education, school, diploma, graduate, and postgraduate. Now, what analysis I can think of? What analysis I can think of? One, two, three, four, four. Now, I can find out how many people I have surveyed from different people. How many people are school? How many people are diploma? How many people are graduate? How many people are postgraduate? So, which means I'm trying to find out frequency analysis. I'm trying to find out frequency analysis, right? So, which means for the ordinal data also, we have to use frequency analysis, right? So now again, you know how to put the frequency analysis. Analyze, descriptive, and then select that variable, put there. Okay. Now we know how to put frequency analysis. We know that for nominal data also frequency, for ordinal data also frequency. Now, okay. Now, for example, I have done a frequency analysis for this one. Okay. Okay. So frequency analysis, right? Oh, sorry. Selected something. Analyze descriptive statistics, frequency. Okay. Gender. Now, somebody, okay, especially people who are doing MBA project, they will be interested for every data, they will put the some charts. But I don't like that. Only when the presentation in chart will it makes a little difference. Okay, so it will give a better presentation. Only such cases you have to use. Otherwise, in the table itself, if it is clear, we need not use the charts. Now, but okay, now we will try to understand the SARS chart also. Sir. For this one, I want to do chart. Now here I have a chart. Okay, you click this chart, then you can understand. You can put bar chart or by chart or histogram. Now, if you put a histogram, then bar will be continuous. Bar will be continuous. Bar will be the continuous, right? So mainly for ordinal data, 10 to 20,000, 20 to 30,000, like that. If you have given only such cases, you have to use a histogram, or otherwise you should not use histogram. So now, okay, let me use a bar chart to put a simple chart. Now you will get you will get chart bar chart. This is a bar chart, right? Suppose okay, so now suppose I want to give a coloring also. Okay, if you click that, you will get this chart editor. Okay, so now in the chart editor, okay, so I want to have colors. Okay, so now let me select this one. Okay, let me select this one. I want to have red color. Click this chart editor. If you click the chart editor, you will get like this. Okay, so I can use fill color. Then if I apply, green color will come. So now next one, let me select the next one. Then I want to have red color, fill, then apply, then you get the red color. Then you okay, you close it. Then color will come here. Then you select a copy and then you can paste it. Okay, you can paste it. Right. Okay. So now this is a chart we are doing for a frequency analysis. Now let me tell you again, for a nominal data frequency, ordinal data also frequency. Right, very good. Now, next. Now let me go to the interval data. Now what is the example for interval data? Liking. Liking. So now liking, strongly disagree, okay, disagree, and then neutral, then agree, then strongly agree. Okay, some people will say, sir, this also you can do frequency, sir. This also you can do frequency, sir. But whenever you use frequency for this one, I used to give normally one story. Now, for example, if you give, for example, there's one girl has done this project, that is a mod. Okay, so she is presenting to the one old gentleman who is the owner of that mod. So he is asking, what is what we have done? She says, I have done opinion from the customers. Then the old man will ask, what is the opinion? So if she tell, he has collected this 5-point scale. If the girl is telling to the that gentleman, old man, "Arey sir, 20 people are strongly disagree, sir. 31 people are strongly disagree, sir. 41 people are neutral, sir. Then 32 people are agree, sir. Then 28 people are strongly agree, sir. If you give like this, then that person may not understand. That person may not understand. So the frequency, I am not telling frequency analysis is wrong. Frequency analysis also you can use, but whenever we have a scale, it is better to use the mean. Mean. Why mean? For example, one person, I am asking one person, what you have studied? I have studied MCOM, sir. Already I have studied MCOM, sir. I am doing PhD, sir. what is your marks? He is telling, sir, accountancy 132, then the accountancy 158, then cost accountancy 60, then statistics 52, then income tax 60. Like that, if he is giving, I can form opinion, but it will take time. Rather, if he tells, sir, I passed with 78 percentage, sir. I have asked the marks, but he is giving, I passed with 78 percentage, sir. Then I can understand, right? This gentleman has passed with the distinction. Okay. Though I have asked mark, he is not asking, giving the individual marks. He is giving an average, because the average represents the entire data. Okay, so whenever we have asked the mean, see for example, average income, average length of a student, okay, so average liking, okay, that will give a better representation. Now I will tell how it is. Now, for example, that girl is telling to the old man, this many people are liking, this many people are, this many people they are strongly disagree, this many people disagree, this many people neutral, this many people like that. That person is not happy. Now, she is doing the mean analysis. She is doing the mean analysis for liking. Where is the mean? Now, descriptive statistics, frequency, same frequency. Okay, I do not want gender. I'm using arrow. Then I'm using the liking. I'm putting here. Now I want to put mean. I'm searching. So where is mean? Where is mean? Oh, then I remember who taught me the mean. Oh, then I understood the median mode, all these things taught in the statistics class. Oh, then I can see some statistics here. So then I'm going to the statistics. I'm clicking the mean. Now I'm clicking the mean. Now I'm clicking the mean. Now I will get a mean. Okay. Now here is a mean. Okay. Now 2.37 is the mean. Now can you see the mean? Otherwise, I will go to this. Here, the mean is a little different data. Now. Okay. 2.38. Okay. Now you see this mean. Now can you see this mean? 2.38 are mean. What is the meaning of 2.38? Now, I have to tell to that person so that he will understand. The old Malden, who is the mall owner, right? He is asking this girl, what is the people, when she says, I am collected opinion from the customers, what the customers are telling. Now he has to tell. Okay, now please understand, he has to tell something to that owner, what the people are telling, what the customers are telling. Now she has done a mean. The mean is 2.38. What is the meaning of this one? Now strongly disagree is 1. Neutral is 3. What is neutral? Don't like. Dislike 1. Strongly agree 5. Neutral is 3. But my mean value is 2.38, which is lesser than my neutral value, which means people are not liking. Now that girl can tell to the owner, sir, people are not like your mall, sir. If she is telling like that, then that person will understand. That is why I am telling for a 5-point Likert scale or 5-point scale or 7-point scale, or for that matter, for any type of scales, we can use mean. From the mean, we can give straight away simple, easily understandable interpretation. Okay. So, okay, fine. Now I have done a mean for a interval data. Now, let me go to the next data. which is a ratio, which is a ratio data, which is nothing but the income, which is nothing but the income. All right. So now income. I'm seeing income. Sir, I have collected income as it is 10,000, 15,000, 25,000, like that. What I can do? If you do frequency, what you will get? 10,001, 65,001, 17,001, like that you will get. Or rather, if I put a mean, okay, I will get the average income. Why average income? For example, one mall owner, he is having a mall. Why he is asking, he wants to know the income. Why? Now, if you know average income, then you can, people who are coming to this mall are middle income people, yeah. Then whatever the item I should have, depending upon the income, middle income people who prefers middle income people, whatever they prefer. That is why we are asking the income, right? So now he wants to know what is the average income of the customer, so that he can decide what kinds of items he can keep in the mall. Okay, so for income also we are going to use mean, right? So we know how to put mean, right? Analyze, descriptive statistic, frequency, under frequency, again statistics. Okay, we have to put a mean. Now please remember, once you have selected earlier, whatever you have selected earlier, it will be there. Unless otherwise you close that entire SPSS, right? So now we can do mean also. Now we will the result is available here. Now you can see mean, right? Okay, now mean for the liking, mean for the amount. So which is income, which is for the other one we have put. Okay, now let me put for the income. Okay, now let me put for the income. Okay, analyze, descriptive, frequency. Okay, instead of liking, I'm putting a income. Okay, I'm putting a income. Statistic already selected. Continue. Okay. So my average income is 24,000, right? It is not visible. Then I'll go. So my mean is 24,784.31. That is the mean income. That is the mean income. Now, okay, now. So now, okay. Now let me put everything one. Now I know that there are four types of data: nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. Okay. Now, if I take a nominal, I have to use frequency. If I take ordinal, I have to use frequency. For an interval, mean. For a ratio, mean. Right. So, okay. So now let me put this one. So for a nominal frequency, ordinal frequency, interval mean, and then ratio mean. Now let me tell again, in this world there are only four types of data: nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. Now I know what is the analysis to be done for nominal frequency, ordinal frequency, interval mean, ratio mean, which means I know all the analysis. I know all the analysis. I know that there are only four types of data. For each type of data, what is the analysis to be done? I know. Which means I know every analysis. Shall we stop here? No, we cannot stop.